On that topic, sort of, James says, is it safe to run Shell Rolleta oil in a crate race engine?
It would have been about 10 years ago when they had the whole high zinc thing with it. But because it's like, what is it? Road standard, what's that?
DOT.
DOT.
The only way you can put extra zinc into an oil is that either it needs to be a racing oil or a diesel oil.
So if
Those are the two things.
Well, not even anymore. You can't even do that.
Did they pull the zinc out of the diesel oils too?
Yeah.
I was not aware of that because we used to sell the oil that Schaefer's was marketing to both like the trucking industry, the diesels, and it was used for racing. And we ended up moving over to, they developed a racing oil specifically for us, and so we moved over to the racing oil.
It's like whatever that whole little round thing is.
It's
like,
the DOT.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Department of Transportation.
Now, if you got a race motor, run racing oil.
Yeah. There we go.
But Rotella used to be freaking badass. So.